Bill Goudy checking in. Mail call. Busyness. I got up at 38 degrees today. Finally, warming up. Check this out, will you? Look at the goodness. Oh, booger. You break my heart. Look what she sent me. She call these are slippers, but they're I can't pronounce it. Pichous. You're right there. It is Pichous. Whatever that is. Oh, that's so nice. And a blanket for Lucy Lou. Look at that. Will you look at that? Lucy's gonna love that. She hates the cold weather. She loves it being warm. Will you look at this? Look at this. Texas Pete too. It's my favorite. Oh, I'm gonna try these. All these. Yeah, the hotter Texas Pete. I can't get this in my area. I can now get this. Fortunately, maybe they'll be adding this. I don't know, but I'm anxious to try all these. I really am. Can't wait. Thank you, Booger. You're a sweetheart. Tom's a lucky man. He really is. I think I'm going to have some catfish tonight. A little 3-2-1 coating, fried up in the cast iron pan. Sounds good. You know, and instead of rice, I'm going to use the rice cauliflower. I think I'm going to do a little rice cauliflower on the side, put a little of the fish oil on the leftover fish oil. I just put a little spoon, a little bit of the oil out onto that rice. Oh, it's so good. You could do this, if you're not low carb, you could do this with real rice. I used to do it that way. And somebody, one of my subs told me that. And it is good. It really is. He was from the Carolinas, North or South Carolina. And said that was a tradition out there. I like it. I sure do. I get this at Trader Joe's. I'm thinking the hemp seed addict's going to like this. I'm using some hemp heart in my 3-2-1 coating with the flaxseed, parmesan cheese. I use garlic powder. Let's see if this is hot enough. Oh yeah. That's peanut oil and butter. Oh, look at that. I'm just going to take this, you know, the ladle type spoon. Yeah, it's got a burn mark on it, but, you know, it's a, I don't know, plastic. High temperature plastic. But you just ladle this fish oil right on top of that. And one more. Oh, you're going to hear me say it. Oh, look at the goodness. Let's dig into that, shall we? Let's try a little 3-2-1 coating with the hemp seed heart and flaxseed. Oh, that's good. You can tell. You can tell the hemp seed's in there. Good. I'm hungry. You know, this is why I fish in the summertime to put fish in the freezer. Because it gets cold like this, but it's not cold enough to get good ice. I can't get out there to catch more fish. Fish from the freezer. That is good. Oh, let's dig into that rice, shall we? Oh, that is good. It's not as rice flavor. It's got cauliflower flavor, but you add that fish oil on there. Oh, it is so good. Listen, I'm going to finish eating. I'll talk at you later. Thank you for watching. Goudy out.